For the seat, it's pretty simple. Taking it out, and then there's pretty much just 4 bolts. 2 in front, 2 in the back that hold it in. It's nothing too complicated. These, one right there, one right here, and then 2 in the front, same thing. And they are a T50. What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today this video is going to probably be all over the place. We're just doing a lot of like little touch-up things. Or if you guys seen right now, we just installed my Sparko seat finally, and I don't know why I'm so hyped for the seat, but here's a little look real quick how the car is looking, sitting. Got mismatched wheels. A long story to explain about this car, trying to get on a trailer. I was here like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago at my parents' house trying to get on a trailer, but it doesn't fit. It's too wide on the one I did have, so blah, blah, blah. Long story short, it didn't fit. So we're back at it, which is good because it gives me more time to tighten up a lot of little things because, yeah, trying to build this car like I thought I was going to do like real quick over the weekend, but yeah. It's been maybe like 3 weekends totaled. Me putting everything together, angle kit, coilovers, new wheels, carbon doors, hood, wide body. So a lot of shit to install, honestly, in that short amount of time. So it's good. Give me more time to make sure to tighten everything up so everything's not like boof and janky. So, but yeah. This video is going to be like tightening up a lot of little things. I got to do the hood latch. I just installed the seat. And the seat's pretty easy. It's just 4 bolts, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And then, yeah, just pretty much getting your seat positioning where you want it and everything. So, yeah, I got that. Sparko seat, steering wheel. So it's coming together, honestly. The car is going to look... It's looking crazy, honestly. So, super hyped to finally have this thing done, drivable. I still gotta smog it. That's my last little checklist before towing it up back home. Just smogging it. God damn. This car is about to look wild, honestly. I got 1T on there, but yeah, you can see the difference of the fitment. It's yeah, it's a 50 sidewall on this one, and then a 35 sidewall on that one. Kind of hard to get the vision with that ugly ass wheel, but god damn. I still need to add that little piece, which I'm gonna do that right now, but fuck, this car is looking crazy. Let me put the hood down so you guys can get a better percent. I just can't close the hood fully. I'm having issues with this little piece right here, and I fucking scratched it. But yeah, see the difference with this little side piece? It's kind of hard to see right now in the shadow. But yeah, still need to add that piece onto that side. But you guys get the vision. Mount the little carbon extra pieces that go right there on the back bumper. There's one that goes right there on the side skirt, but I'm not gonna mount the side skirts yet because the little tabs on the back are broken, so I think I'm gonna have to just 3M tape it, and I still need to wrap that. So yeah, that's probably gonna be last. We're pretty much just picking off where we left yesterday. I'm only here for 2 days, so just trying to knock out a lot of little things. Honestly, been a pain in the ass trying to mock these fenders up with the hood, because I keep having issues with it rubbing on like these little points or the door. But finally got the doors. It still rubs a little bit, but this camera will focus. It still rubs a tiny bit, but way better than what it was. So I can finally get out and into the car. Got the lock on there, so that finally is secure on there. Just a lot of little things. So super time consuming, honestly, with this whole fender situation. But this is the part I'm having issues on, is this fender and hood is like meeting right at the end, and yeah, it's like clipping that to finally shut. But got that figured out for the most part. I'm not gonna worry about it too much because it's taking too much time. And then the hood wasn't really aligning to lock it, so I got that figured out. Gonna go get it smogged, and I'm debating if I should drive the car or have it towed, because yeah, it's getting picked up today and bringing it home finally. So I'm still kind of iffy. I want to drive the car, but I'm a little nervous, honestly, because it looks like that and it looks a little janky. I was gonna drive it over there to get smogged, but might as well just do it like this. Not as sketchy and everything, so perfect. Got it on here, go take it to get smogged, and then on the way to San Jose, finally. It's been a journey trying to get this car ready, towed, everything. But I'm fucking pumped to finally have it home. And this shit looks so crazy on here. I really want one of these trailers, honestly. In the future, I think this might be the move. Especially since I know it clears and everything. This is goals. The truck and trailer, honestly. It's finally on the fucking road after numerous headaches. But it looks so sick on that trailer. Especially faced this way, I don't know. Just seeing it, it looks mean as hell. Made it to get smogged. Last little thing on the list. So huge shout out to them. Getting it done. Fucking happy to finally be taking delivery of my damn dream car, honestly. It's been a journey, and I'll tell you guys all about the work, the stress, the headaches, everything. So I just, huge shout out to him for towing it. I'll tag his Instagram again below. So if you guys need a tow, for sure hit him up. Good ass trailer, has airbags on it, low car friendly, like huge shout out to him. So about 3 weeks ago, I bought a U-Haul and a trailer to tow it, not thinking this car's wide as fuck. But I was like, oh, you know, those trailers should be good enough with stock wheels, blah, blah, blah. So that didn't happen. That was like 3 weeks ago, but that was on top of like the stress of working on the car. I had to pretty much cut these holes, do the whole angle kit, coilovers are install the carbon. So like, it's been a long journey trying to get this car together, I guess in a short amount of time, because that's what I was planning on to do. But yeah, obviously that didn't work out. So that happened, had to return the U-Haul trailer, but a good thing, the trailer was messed up. The leaves on it were like snapped like directly, and I didn't catch that until I was already about to put the car on the trailer. So that worked out. Then had to fly back home, which is in the Bay Area. And then now I drove down there Thursday to finally, I measured everything, got the stocks on, and hit up the tow guy. He was super huge shout out to the tow guy, because yeah, it's been a hassle trying to find something that's gonna fit on the trailer, and that guy's trailer had airbags. Beautiful trailer. So that happens yesterday. Then we go smog the car, and we took a rental down there, and as we're sitting there finding the smog shop, someone backs into the rental car. So that fucked up. Like, it's been like so much stress over and over, but at the end of the day, what can you do besides just power through it and like keep rolling with the punches and just keep going, because at the end of the day, no one else is gonna do it, especially for me. No one's gonna sit there and work on my car, build it how I want it. So it's frustrating, but I mean, at the end of the day, what can you do besides just power through it and just keep rolling or give up? But yeah, that's not gonna happen. So got rear-ended, then at the smog shop, finally got this car smogged, and that's been a whole hassle too, which I'm sure you guys know, trying to find a smog, doing it like this, and found a spot. Finally yesterday, they got us situated in smog, so that's checked off finally. Like, these things probably don't seem like a lot of stress, but it is stressful, because the car was at my parents' house, and it's like a 6-hour drive. I'm in the Bay, so yeah, it's been a fucking headache, but finally got it here yesterday, and shitty, but as he was towing it fully, so yeah, I fucked up, and that piece flew off, and yeah, it's such a little part, but I feel like it plays such a big role in the car, because yeah, if you guys see, that shit looks goofy without that little piece right there, and that flew off. But at the end of the day, I guess everything can be a lot worse. Like, yeah, especially from where I've been at now, like the car, it's been a journey. It's been like 2 years trying to build this car, stack up all the money, because at the end of the day, this car's not sponsored. It's all like my hard work, all my time, and believe me, I'm a young kid trying to just make it and do everything else on top of it, with priorities, with the clothing brand, like just life in general. Like, living is not easy, it's not cheap. So trying to have that aspect and then have the fun car, so it's a lot of stress and money. I'm not sponsored, this is all my money. Daddy, parents don't buy any of this shit. So it's finally home. I can finally start working on it, because being down there, it's like you can't really work on it. You have a little bit of days and you're coming back. So it's finally here. I can finally work on it. I can finally just knock off all the little shit that I need to do and finally take this car out. So back to that piece, Anderson Composite is like, oh, we don't sell this piece separately. And it's like, come on, man. Like I there's no way like people don't lose shit. And it's frustrating trying to deal with them right now, because the kit's like $4,800. You think I'm gonna buy a whole new kit just to have that little piece? Like, it's crazy. So I'm trying to deal with them right now. I'm just trying to be consistent as much as possible on YouTube. If it's just recording my life, if it's the clothing brand, if it's the cars, I'm gonna try to record as much as possible and just vlog my life. And if you guys enjoy it, let me know, tag along, and at the end of the day, just see where everything goes. I enjoy recording, I enjoy, editing. Hopefully this video isn't too short, and since the car is up here now, I'm gonna be way more consistent and just vlogging like cars and coffees, just POV drives, drifting the car especially. Like, there's a lot planned for it, and I'm fucking excited. I'm fucking very excited and pumped to finally appreciate it and see your work. So that's the whole idea of all this, is to like present my work eventually, because I am gonna open a shop. So this is like my little resume, I guess, for people to see everything from wrapping the car, installing parts, the wide body, fucking everything. I've done A through Z, motor swap on this thing. I've pretty much taken everything out of this car, from the diff, everything has been a part. So I'm pretty knowledgeable on Mustangs. So it has been a very good learning process, honestly. I enjoy the hell out of it. So hopefully you guys enjoy tagging along, learning little things from installs, and yeah. But that's probably just gonna conclude this video. I just wanted to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.